Hello guys, in this video we are going to learn the concept of encapsulation in Java. Encapsulation is one of the core fundamental concepts of object-oriented programming. It's a mechanism of wrapping the data and code together as a single unit. The whole idea behind encapsulation is to hide the implementation details from users. It can be achieved using getters and setters methods. So let's quickly move to Eclipse to understand this concept with example. Okay, here we go. So I have a class named employee here. It has three fields: name, employee ID, and salary. Name is of string type, whereas employee ID and salary are of integer type. So to implement the encapsulation, the way is to declare the fields as private and access them using only getters and setters. So for all of three of them, I have made them as private, as you can see, and I've generated the getters and setters for these. Okay, so now move to the getters. What is the format? So getters and setters both will be public type so that it can be accessed from outside the class. Okay, then getters will return the field name. So if it is a getter for name field, it should return name string get name, and the name should be like this. Okay, now let's see the setters for it. So its name should be set name. We just append the set in front of the field, and it should accept the string type parameter. So string name is passed and this dot name equal to name. So this dot name is nothing but it refers to the field of the same class. So this way we are assigned. So I have done the same thing for employee ID as well as salary. So this is how we create getters and setters. Okay, if we want to perform some validation, we can do inside the setters. So suppose if salary is greater than 10,000, then only I want to save it as salary. Otherwise, it will ignore it. Okay, now let's try and run it. So I have another class which is test. It has the main method public static void main. So I just created an object of this class and I've set the values of the fields using setters. Employee.setName, Sachin, employee ID is 100, and salary is 5,000. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna print the value of these fields using the getters. So I'm calling get name, get employee ID, and get salary from this object. Now let's try and run it. Okay. So here you can see it's able to print out the values. So name is Sachin. Okay, so here I've given the same thing. So the employee ID is 100, and the third value that is getting printed, I forgot to change the label. So the third value is printing the salary. So you can notice it is coming as 0. Why so? Because we had put the condition. So only if it is greater than 10,000, then only it will assign, otherwise it won't. So since it was 5,000, so it didn't take the value. Now let's change it to 50,000 for time being. Let's see what it means this time. Okay, so now it's capturing the salary value also. So this way we can access the fields of a class. Okay guys, so that's it for now. We have learned the concept of encapsulation and we have seen how to use getters and setters in Java. Please like my video if it helps. Please subscribe and keep watching.